Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nora Asa, and today we're gonna be talking about the reasons why traders lose money. But before we dive into that, please, if you haven't yet already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so and turn on the notifications as well. So are you wondering why you have been losing money to the markets as a trader? I'm here to give you some reasons why you have not been making money off the market. So the first one is gonna be very controversial. So as a trader, you cannot just use your mobile phone to trade. I don't believe you should be doing that as a professional trader, because using your phone to analyze the chart, it doesn't really give you the brighter picture of what the chart is. Sometimes you might misanalyze because of the device you're using. So my personal advice to every professional trader is to always use a laptop or your computer to do your analysis. You can also use your iPad, but like a mobile phone to me could be a reason why you're losing money. So if you're just in your room taking random trades on your phone, that's not professional. So that will be one of the first reasons why you're losing money. Okay, so the second reason why you might be losing money from the market is because you haven't learned your fundamentals. So as a trader coming into the Forex industry, most of us believe that we need to learn the technicals. You over there, you've learned the technicals, yet you're still unable to make money. Maybe you're missing just that little spice. Maybe you need to learn the fundamentals. Fundamentals are very important because the news drives the market. Economic calendar should always be studied as a necessity to give you a glimpse of what the direction of the market should be. So if you have that additional spice to add to your trading, that might just help boost up your profits, and you might go from a losing trader to a more profitable trader. So it's very essential to learn your fundamentals. I know a lot of traders will say, oh no, like I can do it with technicals. But if you still are learning the technicals and haven't found profits, try to add fundamentals to your technical analysis, and you might just get a spice of profit. So the next we're gonna be talking about is risk management. We know that naturally as humans, we come in with greed. We look at our mentors, they make 15,000 in a day, 25,000. We just feel like we can fund an account for $100, just risk the whole thing and make a lot of money. But then we find ourselves in a cycle of constantly losing money to the market because we cannot manage our risk. I would say this and I would say this again. As a trader, it is better to have smaller, consistent profits than risking all and losing all. So if you just are able to manage your risk, so for like a $100 account, you should be using like nothing more than a 0.1 lot size. Yes, especially as a beginner trader, you should not be using anything more than that. And if you use 0.1 and you're losing, it could take you like 10 times to totally lose your account. But imagine losing like a 0.5 on a $100 account. Literally, if the trade goes wrong, you might lose your entire account in the same day. So that's the reason. That's the third reason why a lot of traders lose money. So if you just can work on your risk management, trust me, you start making more money than you're losing. Okay, so the next we're gonna be talking about overtrading. So the reason why traders will lose money as well is because you overtrade. It is better to have 1A setup with a good strategy. Take 1 trade per day than trading 5 to 6 times a day. Imagine taking 6 trades and losing all 6 trades. So it's better to have 1A setup, like one setup you're so sure of, using your trading plan and taking the trade. I mean, like, even if you lose the trade, at least you used your trading plan and you know that it was within your plan. You understand? And in that way too, you minimize risk, because imagine taking 6 trades every day. Like, the probability of you losing will be way higher than you winning. So I'd advise every trader to only take 1 or 2 trades per day with proper risk management. And if you do that, trust me, your win rate will definitely increase. Okay, so another reason why a lot of traders lose money is because they like take like wrong entries. So for instance, we're watching like GBP USD, the market is like a bullish market. So the market is going through a phase of exhaustion. So an exhaustion phase is like a pullback, and then you take a buy when the market is pulling back on a bullish trend. That's like a wrong entry. So putting in wrong entries will be another reason you lose money. That's why traders are meant to be very patient and very analytic before they take trades. So if you fall in that category, my advice for you is to be more patient, to wait for your entries, because you probably are taking the trades because you feel like the trade will go without you, or you miss out on the trade. But it's better to miss out on a trade than to get a wrong entry and lose money. So be patient and just wait for the right time to put in your entries. So the next reason why traders lose money is because a lot of traders trade without a stop loss. Now, a stop loss is very essential for proper risk management. You have a stop loss because the stop loss tells you that this is what I'm willing to risk. So in that case, if I lose this, I'm okay with it. So now you have a $500 account. You put a 1 lot size with no stop loss, and it's going against you, and now you're hoping that it will go in your direction. Oh God, please let this trade just turn back to my direction. And then you keep losing money and hoping that it goes in your direction, and that's how you blow your account. So definitely it's always advisable to have a good strategy that uses a stop loss. The stop loss will help you minimize your risk, and it will help you manage your money. You feel like the stop loss will stop you from making money because you feel like it's going to hit your stop loss and you're going to lose money. You're trying to avoid losing money, but in the process you're losing more money because you're hoping it'll go in your direction. So don't take that kind of risk. Always use your stop loss. So the next I'm gonna be talking about is trading the news wrongly. Like, most of us traders were so greedy, with deciding to gamble, and we know how the news moves. Like on the day of like CPI, a day of like NFP, we all know how the markets could be very fragile, and then you go risk your whole account because you're hoping that it will just go in your direction. No, at that point in time it's gambling, and we know that most people, like 90% of traders, lose money on the day of CPI or on a day of news. So if you're not able to trade news, or you haven't learned your fundamentals, do not take risk. It's better to preserve your capital for the day after news, because those days are very, they're very good, because the market has like a direction in which you can get good trades. So it's better to be patient and always try to take the right trades. So another reason why you're losing money is because You cannot follow your trading plan. Every trader needs a trading plan. If you don't have a trading plan, I don't know why you're trading. Okay, you need to have a trading plan. You need to have a journal. If you don't have a trading plan, you should not be getting into trades. As a trader, everyone needs to build a trading plan. A trading plan tells you like when to enter, where to set your stop loss, in what conditions should I take a trade. When this happens, that's the only time I'll take my entries. Now, some people do have a trading plan, yet they still don't follow the trading plan. They just see the market's going up, they're like, oh my god, it's bullish, like I know it's definitely going to go up, without following the trading plan. Boom, you press to go up and now it's reversing. Why? Because you did not use your trading plan. Always follow your trading plan. I don't care if the trade looks like it will go in your direction, or when you look at it it's going bullish and you just feel like it's gonna continue bullish. Always analyze and use your trading plan. So the next reason why a lot of traders lose money to the market is because the revenge trade. Now, most of us fall in this category. I, for one, I usually revenge trade, but definitely working on that. So as a trader in the market, you know, you just deposited your $500 and now you just lost $200 and you're like, no way, I must get that money back from the market. Like, I must make that money back. And in a bid to try to make the money back, you take trades. You don't care, like you're not even following your trading plan, you're not thinking straight, you just want to make your money back, and you end up blowing your account. You end up losing all the money just because you want to get your money back. Once you lose money, the first thing is, you know, you're emotional, you just lost, you're not thinking straight. The best thing you should do is shut your computer or your laptop and get out. You have no business being on that computer watching it anymore, because that will be temptation. The more you look, the more you'll be pained, the more you feel like you need to get your money back, and the more you make the wrong decisions and lose more money. So I would advise you to always, when you take a loss, step aside, go outside, get some fresh air, you know, just call someone and rant to them, talk to them about it, you know, maybe about something else. If you don't want to talk about it, just do something, just get busy, but don't sit looking at your computer or like your laptop, because you get tempted to take more trades. And the last reason why a lot of traders lose money to the market or are not profitable is because you are comparing yourself to others. You just came into the industry and now you're over there comparing yourself to someone who's been in this industry for like 6 years, or you want to make 15,000 in like one day, forgetting that everyone has their own journey. Now, because you want to be like, let's just say Jeffrey Benson, or because you see Happy Forex making $50,000 in a day, you're like, oh my god, I must make the same. No, you'd blow your account and you'd keep losing money, because the only way you would get there is improper risk management. And as a newbie, you have no business with improper risk management. It's always good to cut your coat according to your size. Grow little by little, and with time, you're not yet there. Enjoy and embrace your journey and accept your little wins. Celebrate your little wins. If you make $50, be happy. If you make $100, be contented. That's little progress. Know that if you can make $50, one day you will end up making 1,000. You know, but it takes time. Embrace the time. Don't be too fast to want to make 25,000. Now you're gambling because, oh my god, it might go up or down. Now I want to just make $25,000 in one day, and now you lose all your money. You deposit and you keep losing because you keep not using proper risk management. So I would advise, as a trader, Never compare yourself to others. However, always get someone you look up to, a mentor. Your mentors will tell you that you cannot be me in one day. Do you understand? Take your time, just enjoy your journey, celebrate your little wins, manage your losses, and be contented. So those are the reasons why traders will be unprofitable. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of the video. If you're not a profitable trader, you should fall among one of the category of traders that I listed below. So all you have to do is work on yourself. And thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and till then, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.